Stop explaining your crypto chart to an AI that cannot even see it. If you are serious about investing in crypto safely in 2026, you need a tool that actually reads your chart the moment you open it. And that tool is here. If you have ever copied a screenshot of your chart, pasted it into ChatGPT, and typed, "Okay, so this is the 4-hour on Bitcoin, the RSI is here, the structure looks like this," you already know how painful and time-wasting that workflow is. You are doing the analysis yourself and just asking AI to agree with you. That is backwards. ChartSensor sits right beside your chart, whether you are on TradingView or Binance, and it instantly reads your patterns, your indicators, and your market structure, then breaks it all down for you in plain, clear English. No switching tabs, no copy-pasting screenshots, no explaining the obvious to an AI that cannot see what you are looking at. It understands your chart the same way an experienced trader would, and it works right inside your existing workflow. ChartSensor is not a trading bot. It is your smarter trading workflow assistant, and right now, you can get it through Digistore 24 with a full 14-day money-back guarantee, so there is absolutely zero risk in trying it. The link is right below this video. Go check it out. And one more thing, if you haven't grabbed my free Claude AI Mastery PDF yet, click the link in my bio right now. It is a complete printable guide on using AI to build your financial intelligence and grow your business. And it is 100% free. 2 powerful tools. No excuses. Let's build smart in 2026.
Thanks for watching FikkyFinance, where we grow your money and your mindset. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful insights that move you forward. See you in the next video. Stay inspired, stay financially smart.